This is Glauber Contesotto. He just became a millionaire through cryptocurrency, but not just any cryptocurrency. He became a millionaire through Dogecoin. What is happening, people? My name is Robbie and today we are talking about Dogecoin, the internet meme turned millionaire maker. So I'm sure you're aware of the Doge meme, which became popular in 2013. It's literally just a picture of a dog, an awkward little dog. But in that same year that Doge became popular, two men named Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer created a cryptocurrency based off the meme. They called this currency Dogecoin. Initially, when they made the currency, it was made as a joke to go alongside the meme, but it quickly became a cryptocurrency that people were actually buying. In December of that same year, Dogecoin jumped 300% in 72 hours, but then 3 days later it came crashing down 80%. Since then, it's mostly fluctuated around a fraction of a penny to a few pennies, with the occasional spike here and there, until 2020 when just about everything weird that could happen did happen. Dogecoin started to gain popularity through apps like TikTok, and the TikTok community got behind Dogecoin with the target of getting Dogecoin to $1 per coin. During this period on TikTok, this was probably the first time a lot of people had heard of Dogecoin, but it certainly wasn't the last time they would hear about it. Since then, some major investors such as Mark Cuban and Elon Musk have publicly talked about their support of Dogecoin. This has seen the price skyrocket, and this is where Glauber Contesotto comes in. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Glauber? This is his name. But before I tell you about Glauber and his crazy bet on Dogecoin, I'm going to need you to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more business and finance content. I really appreciate all the support I've received since I started the channel, and the only way is up. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get on with it. So at the beginning of 2021, Glauber hears about Dogecoin. In February, he decided to go all in. If you're familiar with the investing community online, you will have heard the term YOLO. He YOLO'd everything he had into Doge. But not only did he put all of his cash into Doge, he sold all his shares in Tesla and Uber and put all of those proceeds into Doge as well. And not only did he put all of that money into Doge, he took out 2 credit cards and maxed them out and put that money into Doge. And not only did he max out the 2 credit cards, he also invested on margin and Robinhood and maxed that out into Doge. So buying on margin is borrowing money from the broker to invest in an asset like a stock or a cryptocurrency. This enables you to buy more stock than you can afford in cash, but it's very risky. It'll multiply the profits that you make on your investment, but it'll also multiply the losses if you make any losses. If you've made a profitable trade, amazing, you've just multiplied it. But if you've made a bad trade and you're losing money fast, very fast. So in total, over the cash, the credit cards, the margin trading, and the sold shares, Glauber invested $180,000 into Dogecoin. This gave him a total of 5 million coins. Since then, Dogecoin has went from around 4.5 cents per coin, and it's currently sitting on 31 cents per coin. And as you can see from this chart, that's a considerable gain. So Glauber selling his shares and taking on margin could be the best bet of this decade. So let's go back to the start of this year and figure out why Glauber decided to take this bet in the first place. So he's a 33-year-old man who lives in Los Angeles, and he posted a video on YouTube on the 7th of February titled Top 5 Reasons Why I Bought 5 Million Dogecoins. And the first line he gives us in the video is this:
I just spent all my money on Dogecoin.
YOLO!
What's going on, guys? Welcome to my brand new channel, the Dogecoin Millionaire, where I plan on becoming a millionaire by buying and holding Dogecoin.
Notice the channel name is the Dogecoin Millionaire, which he made before he was a millionaire, so he definitely believed in his bet. In the video, he gives us 5 reasons why he believes in Doge and how he thinks he can become a millionaire through it. Bear in mind, this video was posted 2 days after he made his investment, so he had no idea if the plan was going to actually work in making him a millionaire, or more to the point, how quickly it would work. The first point that he makes is it has a strong community behind it. He first encountered Dogecoin through Reddit, and the only reason he even visited Reddit was to visit Wall Street Bets and learn about the whole Wall Street Bets GameStop scenario. After reading about Dogecoin on Reddit, he decided he liked the community and it felt very welcoming and positive. Point number 2 was the meme itself. As a millennial, Glauber has grown up laughing at memes, sending memes, receiving memes, and in the video he tells us that he likes the idea of being able to go out and pay for his shopping with a meme. Now that doesn't fit into my investment criteria, but I'm not a millionaire and he is, so maybe I should be taking notes here. Point number 3 is the collective goal. The collective goal of Dogecoin and the Dogecoin community is to get the coin to $1 per coin. He likes this idea that everyone has that same goal, everyone works as a community to achieve that goal, and as he puts it in the video, the more people you can get to buy in, the more money everyone makes. If it goes up by 10 cents and then more people buy in, and then it goes up by 10 cents more, everyone else has made money. Then those people bring in new people, and it goes up by another 10 cents, everyone below has made money again. The more people that are encouraged to buy, the more money's made. I take issue with this concept. What Glauber has essentially described here is a pyramid scheme. If everyone has the same mentality and goal of making it to $1, what happens if they make it? Does he sell all 5 million coins for $1, take his 5 million and run? What if everyone does that? If everyone has the same goal of making it to $1, as soon as it hits $1, a lot of people are going to sell, and this is going to leave a lot more people holding on to the bag. Let's say, for example, it then plummets back down to 40 or 50 cents. The people who bought in at 60, 70, 80, 90 cents, they've all lost. And in this sense, it seems like it could be a little bit of a bubble, and it makes me a little bit nervous. Point number 4 is generational wealth. So Glauber reckons that Dogecoin is a great opportunity to create generational wealth. He believes that Dogecoin will continue to grow, he'll benefit from compound interest of it growing, and that will result in a large lump sum that he can leave to his children one day. So maybe I'm wrong and he doesn't plan on selling for $1. Fingers crossed a lot of other people feel the same way. What I do know is he does actually have a long-term plan, and we'll get onto that shortly. Point number 5 is Elon Musk. So as I mentioned previously, Elon Musk has publicly backed Dogecoin on multiple occasions, and he makes no secret of the fact that he's invested in the coin. This gave Glauber even more confidence to invest in the currency, given that Elon at the time was the richest man on the planet, and Glauber believes that he wouldn't just invest in anything without the belief that it was going to be profitable long term. So those are the 5 points that he made in his video that he posted on the 7th of February 2021. Fast forward 69 days and he done it. He turned his $180,000 bet into $1 million in 69 days, just like he said he would. And apparently his plan is to hold on to the coin until the portfolio is worth $10 million, at which point he plans to sell $1 million worth and leave the remaining $9 million still in Dogecoin to benefit from continuing growth. That means he doesn't plan on selling and taking a single penny until Dogecoin hits $2. Bear in mind it's currently sitting at 31 cents, so he needs Dogecoin to be worth around 6.5 times more than it's worth today before he plans on selling a single penny worth. That is absolutely insane. I'm going to put myself in his shoes here. If I had $180,000 right now, and I turned it into $1 million 3 months from now, you better believe I'm cashing out and taking most of my money off the table. If it was me, I would sell $820,000 worth and leave the remaining $180,000, which was the initial investment, pay the margin off, pay the credit cards off, pay the tax bill, remember that part, and then invest the rest in other asset classes. $820,000 profit is a life-changing amount of money if you use it correctly. And leaving it all in hopes that it continues to grow is just greedy. I would be taking that money and investing it in less volatile assets like index funds, property, maybe some individual stocks, maybe a few other crypto as well. And if I believed in Dogecoin as much as he does, leave that 180 in Dogecoin and let it ride and see what happens. Now, I hope I'm wrong and Dogecoin goes to the moon and he makes his $10 million target, but I'm just not confident at all. However, I will be keeping a close eye on his YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to that in the description in case you're curious as well. Hopefully he'll provide some updates on the matter, maybe he'll change his mind and sell some and take some profit. Either that, or 6 months from now we may see some more news articles about Glauber and how he had $1 million and now he has less than the 180 that he bought in for, and I hope that's not the case. So I think that does it for the Dogecoin chat today. Let me know in the comments below if you've invested in Doge or if you invest in any other cryptocurrencies, and let me know as well how you think Doge will perform in the next few months. And one more thing before we end the video, we are now at the end of April, and you may remember that I set some targets at the beginning of the month, so let's see how we've done with those. Target number 1 was to hit 250 subscribers. We're currently sitting on 248, but I think I could manage to get 2 more by the end of today, so I'll call that a win. The other target was 2,000 views in the month of April. In total so far we received 1,347 views in April. There's still the views to be counted for this video, but unless we get around 650 views in 12 hours, it's not going to happen. So we'll call that one a big fat L. And last but not least, target number 3 was an average of 15 likes per video in the month of April. In the month of April, not including this video, 7 videos were posted. I received 105 likes in total, which results in 15 likes per video, which I'm actually surprised by. I didn't think we would hit that target. So of the 3 targets for the month, we hit 2 and we missed 1. I'm actually going to include this video in the May target because by the time it actually gets uploaded, it's probably going to be around 12 hours before we actually get into May. Targets for May, 310 subscribers, so 60 subscribers in the month of May. I'm going to try again for the 2,000 views. So in May, 2,000 total views. In the last target, an average of 16 likes per video in the month of May. Fingers crossed in May we can tick all 3 boxes for the targets, so let's wait and see. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on Monday.